with something new. As you know, this is an educational channel and these days education has taken a big shift. Now we are totally depending on online learning. Or I must say online learning is not a new thing now. But online assessment is still a new thing for many of us. Many are still struggling to face online exams, right? So today I am here with a 10 study hacks which are going to help you out to score more. So hack number 1 is find a comfortable steady space. That is hack number 1. What you have to do, you should have a place where you are comfortable. है ना? These days you are sitting at home. So don't take the advantage, you are not in school, you don't have to follow the rules. So what you have to do, you should have a particular place, have your own classroom at home. तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको घर में एक ऐसी जगह बनानी है जहां आपकी सारी रिक्वायरमेंट्स एसेंशियल्स वहां पर हैं. Like you need geometry box, all the stationery, colors, everything you should have at the particular place, and this will help you to focus more. ऐसा नहीं एक जगह आप पढ़ रहे हैं एंड आपकी आधी बुक्स अदर प्लेस पे हैं एंड यू आर सर्चिंग हियर एंड देयर, so that will not help you out. So this is the hack number 1 you should follow. Now hack number 2 is Pomodoro technique. What is this Pomodoro technique? The name is only new. You are familiar with this. Like जैसा कि आप लोग करना चाहते हैं कि कंटिन्यूसली आप पढ़ नहीं सकते हैं, स्पेशली जब आप घर पर है ना. सो यू आर एंजॉइंग ऑल द कंफर्ट, एनी टाइम यू आर कॉलिंग योर मदर फॉर द स्नैक्स, राइट. सो पोमोडोरो टेक्निक क्या है, आपको हाफ एन आवर और 40 मिनट्स अपने अटेंशन स्पैन के अकॉर्डिंग टाइम सेट करना है एज अ अलार्म. After this period you can have a break of 15 minutes. How it will help you? In these 40 minutes you have to fully focus on your studies. Don't check the notifications and all these distractions. So what you have to do for these 40 minutes, you have to block all these distractions. After this you can reward yourself, you can have your favorite snack, you can walk around, you can listen music, anything you can do in the break of 15 minutes. So this is what you have to follow is Pomodoro technique. Now we'll come to hack number 3. Prepare a crux sheet. What is this crux sheet now? It will act like a last minute savior. Like exam is on the head, you cannot revise this bulk of syllabus. तो आपको क्या करना है, एक शीट तैयार करनी है लाइक अ रिवीजन नोट्स. इन दिस यू एड योर इंपॉर्टेंट डेट्स, फॉर्मूलाज, शॉर्ट डेफिनेशंस अकॉर्डिंग टू द डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स. यू कैन प्रिपेयर दिस क्रक्स शीट विच विल हेल्प यू एट द लास्ट मोमेंट. तो एग्जाम के पहले आप जस्ट विद अ क्विक रिवीजन यू कैन डू. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी हेल्पफुल बिफोर द एग्जाम्स. नाउ वील कम टू हैक नंबर 4. Prepare a quiz. What you have to do, not for of the full syllabus. Sometimes some of the topics are not quite interesting and they seem very boring. तो आपको क्या करना है, उस टॉपिक को रीड करना है एंड बिकम अ टीचर. यस, यू हियर मी राइट, बिकम अ टीचर. आपको उसमें से क्वेश्चंस निकालने हैं और अपने लिए क्विज तैयार करना है. जब आप वो क्विज तैयार करेंगे यू विल गेट सम आइडिया अबाउट द टॉपिक, थोड़ा आपको इंटरेस्ट आएगा. सो नाउ व्हेन यू विल स्टडी यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक इन अ बेटर वे. जस्ट ट्राई दिस स्टेप एंड आई एम श्योर यू विल बेनिफिट इट. We'll move to the next hack. Hack number 5. So hack number 5 is have a buffer day. Now what is this buffer day? Or you can understand the deadline. A fake deadline you have to create. Suppose you are having your exams from Monday. So at least you should have a deadline till Friday. I have to finish my syllabus, have a to-do list and just get it done before Friday. How it will help you? You can avoid the last hour anxiety and stress, that lot of burden, lot of syllabus I need to revise. If you are finishing it at the fake deadline, you can have enough time to revise and relax that yes, I am well prepared for my exams. So these are the hacks. Let us move to the next hack. So now we'll move to the second half of the hacks. First 5 hacks were there to help you before exams. Now we will move to the exams. What you have to do is at the time of exam, when you are opening your question paper, let it download. Don't be panic, don't rush for it and your mobile will hang. So before that, your devices should be well charged, whether a smartphone or laptop, and when you are opening your exam, let it download. Be calm and patient. What you have to do, let it download fully before answering the questions. Okay, now move to the next hack. So this is hack number 7. As you know, technical issues are uninvited guests. They never come with a warning or any invitation. Anytime they can arise and anyone can face it. So don't panic. Just you have to calm down. What you have to do, just follow these steps. Get a screenshot, contact your examiner and tell them to resume the exam. They will help you out. Just panicking will not work. You have to be calm, just try to sort it out and just contact the examiner. This is what you have to follow, and don't worry, you are going to score. Just have this belief with you. So here was the hack number 8. You have seen and you are knowing you should have the time to revise a paper. For this, what you have to do in advance, get an alarm according to the duration of your exam and follow the pattern the way you should get the time at the end to revise your question. That is must. Every time your teacher are telling you, even when you were giving your offline exams, it is must to cross check your answers first. Before closing the exam, before submitting the paper, you should cross check the answers. So you should have the time to revise the paper. Now we will move to the hack number 9. Hack number 9 is flag your questions. In some of the online tests, there is an option of flag your questions. What is this flagging the question is? You have to make it you can give a symbol or you can highlight it for the end of the exam. Sometimes you are knowing that you are doing the question and you are not sure about the answer, like question number 3rd or 4th. You are not sure about the answer and you are failing it. At the end of the exam, what you have to do, keep a pencil and paper and note down the question number immediately. At the end of the exam, you can straight away move to the particular question. Like I am not sure about the 3rd answer. The 3rd question is difficult for me. I just marked it as I am in hurry. At the end of the paper, straight away move to the 3rd question. And now you are having time to check it out, to solve it again, and then you can fill your answer. So this is the technique of flag your questions. It is very important and it is practiced usually. We'll move to the last hack, hack number 10. So hack number 10 is, I think you are going to tell me this, at the end what you have to do at the end of the exam. Again, you have to check your answers, that all the answers are filled, and then you submit it. Don't panic. I told you, in hurry what we do, we just skip the paper, we go back. Don't worry, just stay calm, check your answers, whatever you have filled, and then you submit the paper. So these were the 10 study hacks. I am sure these are going to help you out and you are going to thank me. Okay, so in advance, what I am requesting you, if you want to thank me for this, just subscribe the channel, and just I want to share one happy news with you, that we have crossed 500 subscribers. It is just because of your love and support. So keep supporting, keep sharing. Goodbye.